Hi, I'm dear friends, this is Roblox Studio, and let's see today how to script looping in Roblox Studio. So there are three type of loops in Lua. It's while, do, and repeat until, and for, do. All of them are repeating some script, are repeating some action until some condition is true, or for example, if you know how many times you want it to repeat, like 3 times, 10 times, 100 times, and so on. So let's take a look on while, do loop. Actually, we already did it. We scripted while, true, do loop, which provides some action to be done infinite times. So today I want to do something, for example, 10 times. And let it be, let's create some part, some sphere, for example, and let us change its color, make it red. And I would like to change its color 10 times to make it yellow, then red again, yellow, then red again, and so on 10 times. So, and let us rename our part like AA, for example, and let us create a script. I don't need printing hello world, but I need to create some local which will be a counter. Let's name it K, for example. It's integer local. Let it be 1 at the very beginning, and then every time of doing the color change I will increase K with 1. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and when it will be more than 10, the loop will stop working. Okay, so local K is 1. Then I like to add weight, everything to be not very sharp, and let's start. So while, let's say while K is less than 11, do. And what we have to do, let's change the color of our ball game workspace, our AA part, and brick color property. We have to change it to brick color new. And which will it be? Let us see. As I said, I want it to be yellow, for example. Yellow, so it has to be new yellow. New yellow. Okay. And then in 1 second, so wait 1 second, I want it to be changed again and to become red again. So I'm copying my action, copy, and until 1 second will be paste, but the color will be new, brick color will be not yellow, but let us see what is its name. What is its name? Really red. Okay, really red color. Really red brick color new. Okay, and then don't forget please to add again weight, because our script may be not working otherwise. Yeah. And as I said, every time we have to change the meaning of our counter to add, to increase it with 1. So K will be like K plus 1. Okay, and let us see now what will we have. Let's go to place, and let's start. You see, we can count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 10 times our ball changed its color. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye.